So guys, this is the digital camera. Okay. Oh, it had the USB. Oh, it's so really nice. It's a real camera, Jillian.
That's how okay it is. We can okay, mommy.
And this is the manual. You want to know what is it? This is the camera. It looks like very nice. It's a kid-friendly camera, but you have to put a memory card.
Maybe time. I want my time.
So this is it. You have to put it here.
Put it?
You have to put that way.
Like this. Like this.
This is the quality of the picture is 1080 JPEG, and you can choose different frames of picture. So you have to put it in a scan disk and put it like that, and then you put it in the computer. So I just use my PC. You go to SDC and go to DC cam, and then see the pictures right now. There, you can click. You can see the pictures. There, it's really nice. I cannot transfer it to my other computer because I don't have internet. So this is it. The old computer, the Windows computer. See the pictures here, there. Different kinds of pictures. Please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.